Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the stream in Google Classroom. This is the stream area. This is where you will see messages from your teacher and your classmates. You could also write messages back by typing here where it says share something with your class. We click here and we can enter a message. I can say, hi. And in order for them to see it, I will click on this paper airplane here to post or send it. You could share things from your iPad. For instance, I'm going to share a drawing. First, label it my drawing. Then, tap the paperclip on the top right-hand corner. Locate the drawing you want to share. Tap on your drawing. Then tap the paper airplane to post your message. These are my messages, hi and my drawing. And that is how you share something with your class on the stream in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.